Beauty Biz Makeover is hosting a live marketing automations workshop in Phoenix, Arizona on Sunday, September 17th, 2023 at 4 p.m. All the information is on our website at beautybizmakeover.com/Eventbrite, but I wanted to go over it with you guys right now. So join us for an exciting marketing automations workshop for hairstylists, beauty, and wellness pros on Sunday, September 17th, 2023 at 4 p.m. This in-person event is specifically designed for professionals in the hair, beauty, and wellness industry who want to level up their marketing game with systems and automations. So you'll discover how to make more money, save more time, and have less stress. Okay. And we're putting this together because recent breakthroughs and technology provide unique opportunities for independent hairstylists, beauty pros, and wellness pros to grow and scale their business quickly without spending a lot of time or money or energy, right? So what we'll cover is how automated systems give you an unfair advantage in your marketplace, which marketing automations are a must-have, and which ones waste time and money, okay? Marketing automations that we discuss are predictable and cost-effective systems to bring in new clients and book appointments every month like clockwork. Reliable systems to follow up with clients, send reminders, and confirm appointments without spending a ton of time or energy, and this greatly reduces no-shows, okay? And then simple automations that have to do with client retention that get your clients to stay, pay, rebook, and refer. Okay, it's super awesome. And it's like having an automated virtual assistant working for you 24 hours a day. Okay, so there'll be free raffles, prizes, snacks, and refreshments provided for all attendees. So we make it super informative, give you a lot of takeaways from the event, but there's also fun to be had. Every person that attends, gets a free raffle ticket. There are prizes and raffles, held throughout the event. And then you have refreshments for everybody so you can network and, just mingle and have fun, okay? And like we said, the marketing automations workshop is free to attend. You can secure your tickets right on the website at beautybizmakeover.com/Eventbrite, link below in the comments section. But as you can see, you scroll down to the bottom of the page and here's the Eventbrite registration. You could do it straight from the site. You could also do it from Eventbrite, but it's just as easy to do it here. You just pick out how many people are going to go and then register. And then you'll put in your information, and like we said, zero cost for it. You just click register and you're good to go. So we are really looking forward to this event, and if you live in or around Phoenix, I highly recommend that you go. If you have any questions about the event or would like to participate in any way, then feel free to contact us at support@beautybizmakeover.com. This is Al Morenton with Beauty Biz Makeover and Beauty Business in a Box. We hope to see you at the event.